Hello guys, welcome back. This topic, problems on ages. So this is very important topic. Okay, most of the people they were asking that, sir, when will you upload? What is this? Concept detailing plus problems on ages, sir. So this is Pakka for sure. What is Pakka? This chapter questions are compulsory. Almost all 99% of the examinations will consist this chapter questions, that is problems on ages. It's directly hit how your logical thinking is, so that is why this chapter is very important. So let us see concept detailing on this first. So what are all the prerequisite things, knowledge, okay, that you have to possess to solve these kind of questions. Okay, let us start with a simple example. So any name, your favorite name, what is that name? Suresh, Ramesh, okay, Suresh. His present age you take. His present age. Let us take his present age is X years. How many years? X years. Let this is whatever I am saying now. This is very important. Concentrate here. Okay. Done. Present age is what? X years. Now imagine what will be his age after what is the question? What will be his age after 10 years? What will be says after 10 years? See, many people of you, that many of you are saying 10x. It is not 10x, lay. It is not 10x, lay. Monkey. It is x plus 10. Sir, why 10x is not correct, sir? Lay. You want me to explain that also? Listen, see. Why 10x is not possible? Suppose you imagine your, present age of Suresh is 10 years. Now, after 10 years, what will be his age? 10 into 10, 100. What kind of fellow you are? So, x plus 10, that is 10 plus 10. So, answer is what you tell me? 20 years. Very good. Superb. Did you understand what I am saying here? Fantastic. The people, those who directly said x plus 10, so this is not for you. Whatever I said just now, this is not for you. Those who have said x plus 10, you are perfect. Fantastic. Fabulous. Mind blowing. There is no doubt at all. Correct. No. So let us see another one. See, what will be the age of Suresh before 10 years? Tell me. This time you are correct. Fantastic. What is the answer? X minus 10. So in the what is that? In the age of Suresh, that means present age of Suresh, you have to reduce 10 years in it. Fantastic. Fabulous. So now you see the point. What is the point? Another question. This question many people they'll go wrong. What is the point? What is the age? What is the how many years? What is the year gap? Okay. What is the year gap between before 10 years to after 10 years? Many people they'll say 10 years gap. No, it is not 10 years. It is 20 years gap. Understanding? So as you present you what is which year is going on? 2023. Okay. 10 years back means I'm talking about 2013. After 10 years means I'm talking about 2033. So total how many years of gap now you observe? 20 years of gap or not? Yes. This is very important. People will get easily confused here. Okay. Done. I hope this is clear. Let us go with the next concept here only. So I'll ask you a very basic question now. See, two brothers. Two brothers. A and B. Okay, this age difference between them in 2023 is 5 years. What do you tell me? Age difference between them in 2023 is 5 years. What will be the age difference? What will be the age difference in 2025? This is what the question. Hey, you have to be a little bit smart while answering this question. You have to think twice. What is the answer? Are you confident on your answer? Fantastic, fabulous. Same 5 years only. Yes or no? Many people, what will they do? So year 3 plus, see, 2023, 2025 extra 2, they will say 7 years of gap. Many people will say. So this is wrong. So age year, what's that? Age difference between those two people will be same. Why, sir? See, imagine A age is 20 and B's age is 25 years. Now, in the year 2023, I'm telling, in the year 2023, the age of A and B is 20 and 25. What will be their age in the 2025? In 2025 means A will become extra 2 years, that is 22, and B will become 27. That means A will also get aged and B will also get aged. That is very, very important. Only one person will not be getting aged. Both the people will be getting aged. That is what the point now here it is. Okay. These kind of questions will be there. You have to be a little bit concentrate. Means what? You have to concentrate a little bit on these kinds. Okay. Then another question, another point. Listen. This is very dangerous. Answer now. 7 years ago. 7 years ago. Okay. Ram was 7 years old. 7 years old means what? His age is 7 years late. 7 years ago, Ram was 7 years old. What will be his age? What will be his age after 7 years? After 7 years. Did you understand the question? 7 years ago, Ram was 7 years old. What will be his age after 7 years? Many people, see, most of you are saying 14. Most of you are saying 14 lele. This is not correct. Think, le monkeys, think. Imagine, present year is 2023. Imagine 2023. Okay. Now I am talking 7 years ago. 7 years ago. That means what? Year 3, 4. That means 2016. In 2016, 7 years ago, what was the age? 7 years. The age of Ram was 7 years. 7 years ago. That means what is the present age? Present age is what? 14 years. 14 years is the present age. We are not asking present age. What they are asking? They are asking age after 7 years. Again, there is a gap of 7 years now. 14 plus 7 years. 2030 they are asking now. So age will be what? 14 plus 7. What's the answer? 21 years. Did you understand? This is very tricky question. So 7 years ago to present, 7 years of gap. From present to next 7 years, 7 years of gap. So overall 14 years of gap will be there. So 7 years plus 14, answer is going to be 21 years old. Is it clear now? These kind of questions also will be there. So little bit concentrate on this. Okay. I hope you have understood this concept also. Oh. Then what important point here it is? See, observe now. I will be telling you how to understand and read the question. See, I will give you statements how you have to analyze. Ram age is 7 years. This is example. Okay, Ram age is 7 years. His father age is fathers. Okay, apostrophe s. Okay, father's age is 4 years more than 3 times of his age. 3 times of his father age is 4 years more than 3 times of his age. Correct. Fantastic. I'm thinking about sentence formation. That's it. Not more than that. Okay, Ram age is 7 years. Fantastic. So his father's age is 4 years more than 3 times of his age. So my question is, what is father's age? Whose father? Ram's father. Okay, now what's the answer? These kind of problem, you know, you the biggest problem is we will not understand the sentence formation. That is the problem. So these kind of sentence formation only will be there whenever you see any problem. Okay, so now you see, let us take an example. Ram age is 7 years. Okay, here Ram is there, so Ram age is 7 years. Okay, now what they are saying, his father's age is, okay, his father's age is 4 years more than, that means extra 4 years. Okay, plus 4 means what? Extra 4 years, extra 4 years, so 4 years more. What is this? 4 years more. Okay, so father's age is 4 years more than 3 times of his age. 3 times of whose age? 3 times of Ram's age. How will you get now? 3 times of, what is the Ram's age? 7. This is how you have to write this. Many people you will forget. No, it's not forgetting, it is like you will not analyze this, so you will not understand the sentence formation also sometimes. That is why. So his father age is 4 years more than 3 times of his age, means plus 4, because 4 years more. 3 times of his age means 3 into 7, so 3 sevens are 21 plus 4, answer is going to be 25 years. So present age of father is 25 years. Did you understand now what I am saying here? So these kind of sentence formation also will be there, so you have to understand. See, I'm telling you, 99% of the problem is solved when you understand the question. So try to understand the question properly. So how to understand, sir? Please concentrate on English. That is very important. Okay, done. I hope this much of basic sense to solve problems on ages is more than enough. Seriously, I'm telling you. Okay, let us go to the problems now, one by one we will say. Okay, done. This is the first question that what we have here. It is, so read the question what it is saying now. Try to read very calm. Seriously, don't rush. The sum of the ages of 4 children born at the intervals of 5 years each is 50 years. This question, most of the companies they are asking this question. Okay, there are 4 children, fantastic, born at the intervals of 5 years each. That means, so there is a age gap of 5 years between 4 children. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the age gap between them? Age gap 5 years. So there is a age gap of, what you tell me, 5 years between these people. Okay, done. So what they are asking, each is 50. What is this 50 years? Sum of, be very careful now, sum of all the 4 children, so born at an interval of 5 years each is 50 years. That means what? If you add all the ages of these 4 children, so you are going to get, what to tell me, 50. So what to do? Take first child's, okay, take first child's age as X years. Are understanding now what I am saying here? It is, and they told age gap of 5 years. So second child age will be X plus 5 because 5 years more. Third child will be again extra 5 years, that is X plus 10. Why 10? Because 5 years more, again extra 10 age. And another last child is going to be X plus 15. Why? Because another extra 5 years. See, from I will change the color so that you will understand now. Okay, super. So here we go. So from year to year there is 5 years gap. From year to year 5 years gap, and from year to year there is 5 years of gap. That is what they told. Okay, now if you add all these things, you should get, what you tell me, 50. So very simple. See, x total 4x, fantastic, plus, so here 5 plus 10 15 plus 15, what you tell me, 30 is equals to 50. Now 4x is equals to, this 30 will go this side, 50 minus 30, answer is going to be 20. So x 4 1 times, see, if 4 goes to the right side, it will go to the denominator. I hope you know this. So x value is going to be 5. That means the smallest child age is 5, and second smallest child is going to be 10 years of, see, observe very carefully, that is what I am telling now. 5 years of gap, 10, then 15, then it is 20. So what is the question? What is the age of the youngest child? You only tell me what is the age of youngest child? 5 years. Okay, this is how you have to solve now. Done. Fantastic. Now I hope you understood this. We'll go to the next question this time. See, try to understand the question. If you understand the question, that is more than enough. Okay. The present age of father is, I told you, these kind of questions will come. Be very, very careful. I told you. Okay. What is the question? The present age of father is 2 years more than 4 times the age of his son. Okay. Then be very, very careful. Now, what is the question? Do you know what is the present age of son? No. Understanding now? Okay. 3 years hence, father age will be 15 years more than twice the age of his son. So, question, I think this is not printed question. Age of father we have to calculate. We have to calculate age of father. Father's age, that is one. Okay, that is what the question. I did not print over there continuously. This question many times it is asked. Be very careful whenever you solve. See, take time. See, your first time you are learning the concept. Take some time. After practicing 10 or 20 questions, so you will definitely increase the speed. Present age of father is 2 years more than 4 times the age of his son. First of all, we don't know what is the age of son. So how to write? See how to solve the problem. See now how to solve the problem. So son this side I will write, and I will write father this side. Lay, observe, observe, observe. I don't know present age of son. Let me take it as x. What is this? Present age of son. Be very careful. Very careful. What is the question now? This is what present age. This is what you tell me. I'll write here now. Present age. Okay, done. Present age of father, listen, is 2 years more. How many years more? 2 years more. So plus 2 now, because 2 years more. Then 4 times the age of his son. How many times? How many times? You concentrate here. How many times? 4 times. So what is the present age of father? 4x plus 2. What is this? Present age of father. Super. Fantastic. That's it. First statement over. No doubts. Then let us go to second. 3 years ends. That means see, hence is also used as after. Understand this. 3 years ends means after 3 years. Observe very carefully. After 3 years. I am talking about after 3 years. Very clearly observe. What will be the son age after 3 years? You tell. What will be the son age after 3 years? Let this just now I told. After 3 years, what will be the son age? 3x x plus 3 now. X plus 3. Very good. So, son age is going to be what to tell me? X plus 3. Okay, super. Done. So, after 3 years, what will happen? Observe. After 3 years, okay, till here it is over. Father's age will be 15 years more. How many years more? 15 years more. That means what here I have to write? Plus 15. Okay, done. 15 years more than twice the age of the son. How many times? Twice the age of the son. 2 times. Now what's the age of son? X plus 3. Be very careful. X plus 3. Don't write x here. Understanding? We are talking after 3 years. Be very careful. So 15 years more than 2 times the age of the sun. So 2 times the age of the sun means sun age is already x plus 3. Why sir? Because we are talking about after 3 years. Okay. That is what done. So observe. What is the logic? Logic you observe. This is the age of the father. This is the present age of the father. Okay now. Present. Oh sorry, present. I will erase this again. First of all, this writing pen and another one spelling. Okay, done. So present age. What is the present age of father? 4x plus 2. What is this then? Lay observe. What is this then? Age after 3 years. What do you tell me? Age after 3 years. Very good. Fantastic. Now you tell me. Observe and tell me what is the age gap or years gap between these two values. This is present age and this is age after 3 years. what will be the age gap or a year number of years gap? Number of years gap, 3 years. Are you understanding what I am saying here? It is now. అంటే ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్కి మీరు 3 ఇయర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి ఇయర్ ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్కి మీరు ఏమైనా 3 ఇయర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే దట్ మీన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ యాడ్ 3 ఇయర్స్ టు ద ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ద ఏజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 3 ఇయర్స్. Observe once again, slow, don't rush your mind, seriously, don't pressure on your mind, very simple. What is this? Present age. What is this down here? It is age after 3 years. That means what? For present age, if you add 3 years, you will get the age after 3 years or not? Fantastic. That is what the hint that we are going to get now. That is what the hint that we are going to get. From there only we have to drag the answer. Fantastic, superb. Now here we go, we will identify what is that. So where is this? Okay, here I will be writing now. Listen here, 4x plus 2, this is what the present age. For present age I will add 3 years so that I will get the age after what you tell me? 3 years. 2x plus 3 plus 15. You have to solve this now. So 4x plus 2 plus 5, 4x plus 5, yes, then here is equals to 2x plus 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 5, sorry, 6 plus 15, 21. So 4x minus 2x, answer is 2x is equals to minus this plus 5 will go to the right side and you are going to get 16 here. So x value you will get 8. X value will get, what you tell me? 8. That is not the father age. Don't search over there. Don't tick none of this there. Lay, x value is 8. X value is 8 means what? Whose age? X means what? X age means it is, tell me whose age it is? It is sun's age. Sun's age is what now? 8 years. Present age of sun is, what you tell me? 8 years. But are they asking sun age? No, they are asking age of the father. Present age of sun is 8 years. That means x value is 8. You have to calculate father age. How will you calculate father age now? 4 times of sons plus 2. That means 4 into x value is what? 8 plus 2. What is the answer now? 4 8 is 32 plus 2. Yes, 34 is the present age of father. See, now you will be thinking only, sir, it is lengthy. No, sir. Yes, it is lengthy. How can we do it within 1 minute, sir? Don't worry. These kind of questions, definitely I am telling you, will be given for 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. Don't worry. These kind of questions will be given. The time slot will be there. No worries at all. 1.5 to 2 minutes, 2.5 to 3 minutes. Definitely will be getting time. Are you understanding what I am saying here? Please concentrate on understanding the question. Once you understand, next time you will do it fast because you know that. Okay, once again try to rewrite this and once again practice this one. Okay, done. So third question, this is a fantastic question. Many times it is asked, pakka fixed question it is. 3 stars allow, 5-star question it is. So listen very carefully. Deepak's age is 1/6 of his mother's age. Please understand very carefully. Very tricky. Don't get confused. Slowly you try to understand. Deepak's age. So let us write first. Deepak is here. Okay, Deepak is here. So Deepak, he's the Deepak now. Okay, done. So his age, do you know? I don't know. Okay, then Deepak's mom. Deepak's mom, mother. So she's here. She, okay, this is here. Okay, Deepak's mom. So what is the question they are saying? Deepak's age is 1/6 of his mother's age. Suppose if Deepak's mom age is 6 means Deepak's age will be 1/6 of it. 1/6 of it, that means 1/6 into x. This statement everybody understood? Fantastic. Now here we go. Deepak's mother's age will be, be very careful, will be, it is not now, will be twice the age of Pavitra's age after 10 years. That is what I told. It is not present age, it is future. Understanding? After 10 years, they are speaking now. After 10 years. Okay? Deepak's mom's age will be twice the age of Pavitra's age. But we don't know what is Pavitra's present age, no? We don't know what is present age of Pavitra, no? So wait. We are not getting any clue. Don't write anything now. So because in the second statement we are not getting any clue because we don't know who is Pavitra and we don't know what is her age also, we don't know. So let us keep it as it is. Now we will see further, we will go now. Seriously, you don't know what is the age of Pavitra, so we cannot conclude anything there. We have to continue reading because we have to find, is there any clue? Is there any clue in future? We have to identify that. Okay, let us go further. If Pavitra's 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before, fantastic clue. Observe now. Pavitra's 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before. So today, this year, 2022. Okay, 2020. 2 years before. 2 years before means what? Come back. 2020. So now understand the question. In 2020, just example. In 2020, Pavitra 8th birthday she celebrated. Which birthday? 8th birthday means 8 years. Only one times in a year birthday will come now. In 2020 అంటే 2 years before 8 years అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఎంత? Before 2 years, if her birthday was, if her age was, what you tell me, 8 years means, what is present age? Fantastic, 10 years. Extra 2 years, that's it. What is the present age of Pavitra now? What's the present age of Pavitra now? 10 years. See, this is what the clue. This is what the clue now we got here. Okay, fantastic. So, Pavitra's 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before means, now present age of Pavitra is 10 years. Okay. Then what is Deepak's present age they're asking? So forget about the question. Let us see the second part which we missed there. That means why? Because we missed, we were not knowing the data over there. That is why we skipped there. Okay, let us go back, try to understand what is that data. Okay, second line. Deepak's mom's age will be twice the age of Pavitra's age after 10 years. They are speaking about after 10 years, not now. After 10 years. Now you tell me. What will be the age of Pavitra after 10 years? Present age 10 years అయితే 10 years తర్వాత Pavitra's age ఏమై ఉంటుంది? That is what now. If present age of Pavitra is 10 years means what will be her age after 10 years? Fantastic. 20 years lele, 20 years. Okay. Now this is already spoken after 10 years. After 10 years what they are speaking? Deepak's mother age will be after 10 years, not now. After 10 years they are speaking about, what to tell me? After 10 years. They are speaking about after 10 years. After 10 years, Deepak's mother age will be, yes, Deepak's mother age will be twice the age of Pavitra's age. How many times? How many times, Lale? Twice. How many times? Twice. 2 times of 20. 2 times of 20. 40 years. Fantastic. Fantastic. Superb. So 2 times, that is twice. So from here we are getting the relation that 2 times. Now be very careful. Very careful. Observe now. Listen. That is, everything is over. Now only analyzation. Now everything is over. Now you have to analyze. So question gave you complete information. Now here we go. My question is that after 10 years, if age is 40 means, what is the present age? అంటే 10 years తర్వాత ఏజ్ 40 అవుతుంది అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎంత వయసు? This is very simple question. After 10 years ఏజ్ 40 అవుతుందంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎంత? Go back. How much? 10 years less. 30 years. Fantastic. Okay, now. Deepak's mom's present age dorkindi. So we got Deepak's mom's present age, that is set. Correct? So we don't want Deepak's mom age. What we want? What we want? Deepak's present age. Fantastic. What we want to tell me? Deepak's present age. So how to get that from here? Because Deepak's present age is what? 1/6 of his mom's age. So 1/6 of what is the x value? Just now we calculated. Now here x value. What is that? 30. So answer is what? 6 5s are 35 years. This is very tricky, and if you are able to understand this, no, forget about solving. If you are able to understand this, no, so fantastic. I'm telling you, you are above 75% of the people. Fantastic. Seriously, I'm telling you. See, if you are, suppose you have not understood, replay the video and once again you see. Okay, done. Here we go. Question number 4. Okay, question will be solved once you understand the question. That is very important. Slowly, don't rush. I'm telling you. Starting now. If 6 years are subtracted from the present age of Dilip, first of all, Dilip age enta anedi naaku teliyadu. I don't know what is the Dilip age. Okay, let us take Dilip present age is x years. So what they are saying, if 6 years are subtracted from the present age of Dilip, that means in Dilip's age we are subtracting 6 years. So 6, okay, x minus 6, okay, subtracted. And the remainder is, what you tell me? I will take another color so that you'll understand what they are saying now. The remainder is divided by 18. That means whatever the answer that I am going to get, this should be divided by, what you tell me? 18. Okay, fantastic. Then the present age of his grandson Tarun is obtained. That means if I do like this, I will get Tarun's age. If I do like this, I will get, what you tell me? Tarun's age. So we observe now. To solve this puzzle, I want x value or I want Tarun's age. If I know, see, if I come to know x value, I can find Tarun's age. Or another case, if I know Tarun's age, I can easily find what is x value. So we got stuck here because there are two unknowns. I don't know what is the value of x also, and I don't know what is the value of Tarun's age also. That is why till here question is incomplete. I cannot find it now. So further we will read what is the answer. What they are saying now. What is the information? If Tarun is 2 years younger to Gopal, ante తరుణ్ వీడి పేరు తరుణ్, గోపాల్ కన్నా వీడి పేరు గోపాల్. అంటే తరుణ్ ఏజెస్ 2 years యంగర్, తరుణ్ ఈజ్ 2 years యంగర్ టు గోపాల్. అంటే గోపాల్ కన్నా తరుణ్ 2 years చిన్నోడు. అర్థమైందా? గోపాల్ కన్నా తరుణ్ ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్? 2 years చిన్నోడు. దట్ మీన్స్ Tarun is 2 years younger to Gopal. Sare, okay. No problem. Gopal, whose age is 5 years. See, information ikkada manaku dorkindi. We got the information here. Ante enti? Tarun is 2 years younger to Gopal, whose age is 5 years. Ante Gopal age 5 years. Gopal age 5 years. Tarun, see, observe very carefully. Gopal age is 5 years and Tarun is 2 years younger to him. What is Tarun's age? అర్థమైంది క్వశ్చన్. తరుణ్కి ఏజ్ ఇప్పుడు 5 years అంట. సారీ, గోపాల్కి ఏజ్ ఇప్పుడు 5 years అంట. తరుణ్ గోపాల్ కన్నా 2 years చిన్నోడు. అర్థమైంది? అప్పుడు తరుణ్స్ ఏజ్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఫెంటాస్టిక్, 3 years అవుతుంది కదా. అంటే మనకి ఈ వాల్యూ దొరికింది. దట్ మీన్స్, see, if Tarun's age is 2 years younger to Gopal, but Gopal's age is 5 years, means automatically I can say Tarun's age is 3 years. Now I got Tarun's age. Now I can simplify here. X minus 6 divided by 18 is equals to, what is Tarun's age? 3 years. So x minus 6 is equals to, what is 18 3 times? 54. Then x is equals to 60. X is equal to 60 means what? Dilip age is 60. Now what is they asking? Then what is Dilip's present age? They are asking the same. Dilip's present age is what? X value, that is 60. See, this is how we are going to solve the problem. This is how you are going to solve the problem. Clear? And last one more question we will say, and we will stop it here now. I hope so. This question again, it will take few more. Definitely, it will take so much of time. So I hope now this is enough. From fifth question, we will continue in the second part. Okay, done. So try to practice these questions. Okay, if you want means you can see. This is the fifth question. Okay, then this is sixth question. You can do it by yourself, or in the second part anyhow I'm going to do it, so don't worry. Okay, done. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and please wait for the second part. Practice this first.